So leading is about the process of initiating. So yung lahat ng may sinasabi rito about initiating. And then coping with change. No? So what is this telling us? Yung pagiging leader has a lot to do with change. Directional kasi yung leadership eh. So when you're leading, you're trying to change things. In order to change things, what do you need? You need to make people appreciate it. You need to inspire people. You need to motivate people. You need to communicate a clear vision of the change that you're trying to make. So there's a good list here. Really good list. Okay? Focus on inspiring and influencing people, motivating, empowering others, building trust, and strong relationship. Importante yung trust and strong relationship. Kasi without that, pag sinabi kong iwanan na natin to, pumunta tayo dito, susunod sa iyo yung mga tao only if they trust you. You think it's important for you to trust your team members? Mas importante pa doon yung to earn the trust of your team. Because if you don't earn the trust of your team, it's very difficult to succeed as a leader. Dahil iba ang pangalan nila sa'yo pag wala ka. Parating na si Hitler. Ayan, diba? So, leading. So, lahat ng may kinalaman doon sa pag-inspire at pag-motivate at pag-align doon sa mga tao to achieve a goal or demonstrate certain values and certain behaviors is leadership. Ano yung management? Management is coping with complexity. So, halimbawa, kinumbinsi ko kayong lahat, tara, punta tayo lahat sa Palawan. Saya doon, maganda doon. Kahit na gumastos tayo, masusulit naman natin yun kasi masaya. Then, some of you said yes, some of you said no. So, doon sa yes, yun yung mga taong ililid ko. No? The people who said yes. Wala akong magagawa doon sa ayaw. Okay? Now, after natin pag-usapan yun, saka natin pag-usapan, magkano gagastusin natin? Okay lang tayo aalis. Mag-aeroplano ba tayo o magro-roro? No? Lalanguin ba natin hanggang Palawan? Ano bang gagawin? Diba? What's within the budget? Okay? Anong gagawin natin doon sa mga taong yes now tapos no later? Management lahat yun. Management lahat yun. So what is management? So planning is managing. Being task-oriented is managing. Monitoring performance and problems, implementation of rules, maintaining structure and stability. Monitoring, planning for improvement, those are all managing. Yung goal, depende sa goal. There are different kinds of goals. A vision is a goal. A vision is a goal. When you are trying to envision something, that's a goal. That's not managing, that's leading. A target is a goal, pero it's managing. You see ang difference? Yung vision, yung big lofty goal is leadership. KPIs, they're managing. Short term. Kasi yung vision is an aspiration. It's emotional. Yung KPIs, they're practical. They're operational. It's what you need to achieve today, next month. No? I don't know if you will agree with me that your potential is bigger than your KPI. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Na yung potential ninyo, your ability is bigger than your KPI. So, leadership, inspire people to realize their full potential. KPIs, motivate people just to hit a target that's pre-established before them. So, di ba? So, yan. So, setting goals, depende kung anong goal. Okay? Directing is managing. Setting the direction. Weird, no? Setting the direction is leadership. Directing is managing. Okay? Doon tayo papunta. That's leadership. How to get there? Step 1, step 2, step 3. Directing is managing. Kaya importante magaling kayo doon sa dalawa. Hindi pwedeng good leader ka lang, hindi ka marunong mag-manage. Some people will require more structure. So magma-manage ka. But also, people need to be inspired. Kasi kung alam nila yung step pero hindi nila gustong gawin, again, you will be ineffective. No? So kaya nga, sabi ni Stephen Covey, management is efficiency in climbing the ladder of success. Okay? Leadership determines whether the ladder is leaning against the right wall. Ibig sabihin, posible ba, kasi pinag-usapan natin, sa management, effectiveness and, ano yung isa pang E? Effectiveness and efficiency. Di ba? Pero pagdating sa leadership, it's destination. Where do we want to be in the future? Yung team mo, anong pangarap mo dun sa team mo? Di ba? Do you want to build the best team in Brother? Is that the goal? Ang pangarap mo ba, balang araw, lahat ng team member ko magiging team leaders. Balang araw, itong team na to, Dito manggagaling yung mga supervisor dito sa company na to. That's a vision, no? That's an aspiration. We're going to break some records about performance. That's leadership. Pero, that's labas yun sa KPI eh. Di ba? Wala yun sa performance appraisal ninyo eh. Pero pinapangarap mo yun. So have you thought about it? Like, have you thought about what will define your leadership? What will the success look like? Kaya kanina, yung nakalagay dito, tinatanong kayo, what will it look like if you are a better leader? Some of you, I want to have an empowered team. So that's a vision. Wala sa KPI nyo yun. Wala, di ba? Harmonious relationship. Harmonious, productive relationship. Produce new leaders. Wala sa KPI nyo yun. Pero pinapangarap nyo, that's vision. No? Okay, so having said that, magpapakontest po tayo at ang mananalo ay mananalo ng librong, bossing ka na pala.